Good morning everyone, Mark Holger here. Today I would like to talk to you about flashcards and how to make the best flashcards. So I'm going to be making this video by myself using my telephone, so hopefully you can understand the video is going to be a bit crazy and I'll do my best. So here is a text that I got from a Penguin reader about Sherlock Holmes. So the strategy is to look through a text and underline the words that you don't know or the phrases that you don't know. You can see I've underlined enemies and habits. So today I will show you how to make an excellent flashcard using these two words. So what you need, actually say hello to Ella. Ella, say hello. Say hello, Sole. Come on, say hello, say something. Okay, she's not talking today. So what you need are some cards. I'm using paper, but you should use cards because this is too easy to destroy. After a while it looks bad. So find some card and that's all you need. Pen, card, you're ready. The cat, actually, if you want to use a cat too, that's up to you. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to a dictionary. I recommend Merriam-Webster Learner's Dictionary. I'll give you the email address, but it's easy. It's learnersdictionary.com. Look up the word, and then let's look at the definition. So, habit is a noun. What does it say? First things to notice. Here we can listen to how to pronounce the word. Here it tells us there is one meaning. Here we can see there's another meaning and another meaning. So this word has three possible uses. Also we can see that it has countable. So we have habits, but also there's some non-countable uses. So this is all very important information. So let's look at the basic idea. The usual way of behaving, something that a person does often in a regular and repeated way. Examples, it was his habit to take a nap, which is take a short rest, after dinner every evening. Okay, so here on one side I have written habit and enemy. I've also noted that it's a noun, and under here I'm helping with pronunciation. This is Turkish, so if you say this in Turkish you should get habit. In the same way, if you say this guy in Turkish you should get enemy. Now on the back I want to write a sentence that really helps me understand this word, and to do this I can use the dictionary definition to help me. So here we have this guy. It was his habit to take a nap after dinner every evening, and also something that we do often in a regular and repeated way. So what's my sentence? So here you can see my example sentence. I have to use the word habit, but also I want something in the sentence that helps me remember what it really means. And I want it to be personal about my life. So this is true for me. Every morning I brush my teeth. So I can think about brushing my teeth, that I do this every day and that this is a habit. This helps me remember the word habit. Saying every morning is also useful because that makes it a habit. So we can see for this habit question that it's personal about Mark Holger. But what can I say about enemy or enemies that's connected to me? It's a bit more difficult, so I'm going to use a general example, but still something that is real. Here, now she's talking. You're talking now. There you go, now she's talking. Okay, so here in the Second World War, the Germans were the enemies of the British. Most people understand what happened in the Second World War, so this is not so difficult to remember. Oh my God, she must be hungry. Are you hungry? What's going on? Hmm? Really? Can you translate that? I don't understand you. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okie dokie. She wants to help. So, how can I make this a bit stronger? Here's an idea. Here is my more advanced sentence. The Americans were their allies. So ally is the opposite of enemies. So this is really more helpful. And here comes the little problem who wants to help. Hello. Go away. Goodbye. Heide bye bye. Tschüss. Bitte geht dann. Heide bye bye. Chick 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 chick. Okay. So enemies and allies. Now I have two very good cards. I can use these. I can ask my friends to say, hey, ask me this, and I will try to give you this sentence. It takes a bit of practice, but this is the best system. So you want to have a big collection of these cards, lots of them, many of them, many of them. And that's how you make a flashcard. So that's it. I'm sure you can do this. It will certainly improve your English, and it will make sure that you have the words that you need when you want to say something and sound clever. Very useful. So if you liked it, please send it to your friends, subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff, and hopefully I will see you soon.